Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to remove or delete payment method on Fortnite. So the first thing you need to do is log into your Epic Games account, either using www.epicgames.com, which is the official Epic Games website, or you use the official Fortnite website, which is www.fortnite.com, and log in using your Epic Games username and password. So once you're in, you click on account settings, which is exactly where I am, account settings, and then you click on your profile icon in the top right corner. If you're using the Fortnite on, click on that, and then once you've done that, you go to payment management and click on payments in the left hand sidebar, and then you locate the payment method you want to delete out the ones you've saved, and you click on, you should next to the payment method, you should see a trash can icon. Click on it to delete the payment method. Confirm your deletion by clicking on confirm when the message appears, and to proceed with the deletion. That's it. Selected payment method will be removed from your Fortnite account. But note that if you have any pending transactions or subscription associated with the payment method you are deleting, you may need to cancel them separately before deleting payment method. But I want to go through this www.epicgames.com. So account settings is here, but I'll click on payment management instead. So if I had a payment method, that you can see I've not added the payment method, but if I did, you see a trash can around here. You click on it and to delete. Then you confirm your delete. Confirm that you want to delete it, and then it is deleted. It is as simple as that. If you found this video helpful, if you did, like and subscribe to this channel for more. Thanks for watching.